Welcome to this body scan. The purpose of this scan is to identify areas where we may be holding tension and to begin to learn techniques and use techniques that will allow us to cause that tension to dissipate from our bodies, to move away from. So let's begin by making yourself really comfortable. If you're in a chair, just allow your back to be straight. If you're on a bed, try not to lie down flat because the danger is you'll fall asleep. So try and keep your back more or less straight, but not stiff. If you can, put your feet on the ground or keep them side by side. You could practice this standing if you preferred, but make sure your head is supported. Your hands should be resting gently in your lap or at your side. And if you feel it's okay, then allow your eyes to close or remain open with a soft gaze. So firstly, we're going to take several long breaths. We're going to breathe in fully into the lungs through the nose, and we're going to hold for a couple of seconds before breathing out through your nose or through your mouth if it's more comfortable. You're going to feel your stomach expand on the inhale and relax as you exhale. So we're going to take 2 or 3 breaths now. Breathing in now fully. Hold and exhale slowly, allowing any tension or discomfort just to leave your body. Breathe in through your nose and hold. Exhale slowly. Notice your stomach expand on the inhale and relax as you exhale. Now begin to shift your attention from outside to inside yourself. If you're distracted by sounds in the room, just simply notice this and bring your focus back to your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And slowly bring your attention down to your feet. Begin observing sensations in your feet. You might want to wiggle your toes a little, feeling them inside your socks or shoes or sandals. Just notice without any judgment. And you might imagine just sending your breath down to your feet, as if the breath is traveling through your nose, to your lungs, through your abdomen, all the way down to your feet. And then back up again through your nose and lungs and out again. Perhaps you don't feel anything at all, and that's fine. Just allow yourself to feel any sensations or not feel anything at all. And when you're ready, allow your feet to dissolve in your mind's eye and move your attention up to your ankles, your calves, your knees and your thighs. Observe the sensations that you're experiencing in your legs. Breathe into and breathe out of your legs. If your mind begins to wander during this exercise, just gently notice it without judgment and just bring your mind back to noticing the sensations in your legs. If you notice any discomfort, pain or stiffness, don't judge this. Just simply notice it. Observe how all sensations rise and fall. They shift and change from moment to moment. And notice how no sensation is really permanent. Observe and allow the sensations to be in the moment, just as they are. Breathe into and out from the legs. Then onto our next out breath, allow the legs to dissolve in your mind and move to the sensations in your lower back and your pelvis, softening and releasing as you breathe in and breathe out. Slowly move your attention up to your mid-back and upper back. Become curious about the sensations here. You may become aware of sensations in the muscles, temperature, or the points of contact with the furniture that you're resting on. With each out breath, let go of tension that you might be carrying. Allow the tension to float away, to dissipate. And then very gently shift your focus to your stomach and all the internal organs here. Perhaps you notice the feeling of your clothing, the process of digestion, or your belly rising and falling with each breath. If you notice opinions arising about these areas, then just gently let them go and return to noticing only the sensations. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your chest and your heart region, and just notice your heartbeat. Observe how the chest rises during an inhale and how it falls during your exhale. Let go of any judgments that may arise. Simply observe, simply notice. On your next out breath, shift your focus now to your hands and your fingertips. See if you can channel your breathing into and out of this area, as if you're breathing into and out from your hands and fingers. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensations in your hands. Then, on the next out breath, shift your focus and bring your awareness up into your arms. Observe the sensations or lack of sensations that may be occurring there. You might notice some difference even between your left arm and your right arm, but there's no need to judge this. As you exhale, you might experience the arms softening and tension being released. Continue to breathe and shift your focus now to your neck, shoulders, and your throat region. This is an area that we often hold tension in. Be with the sensations you experience here. It could be tightness, rigidity, or holding. You may notice that your shoulders are moving along with your breath. Just let go of any thoughts or stories that you're telling yourself about this area. As you breathe, you may feel tension rolling off your shoulders. On the next out-breath, shift your focus and direct your attention to your scalp, your head, and your face. Observe all the sensations occurring there. Notice the movement of the air as you breathe into or out of your nostrils or mouth. As you exhale, you might notice the softening of any tension that you've been holding. And now let your attention expand outward to include your entire body as a whole. Bring into your awareness the top of your head, all the way down to the bottom of your toes. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath as it moves through your body. And as you come to the end of this practice, take a full, deep breath. Take in all the energy of this practice and exhale fully. When you're ready, open your eyes, return your attention to the present moment. As you become fully alert and awake, consider setting the intention that this practice of building awareness will benefit you and everyone you come in contact with today.